Hello all, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about supervised learning. So what is supervised learning? In supervised learning, the training data that we feed to the algorithm includes the desired solutions called labels. Let's look at an example. Let's just say we want to develop a machine learning model which can predict if a person will be approved for loan or not based on his salary. So for example, let's just say we have a data set with 5 records, and in this column we have the salary of the person, and in this column we have the result, that is if he was approved for loan or not. So in our data set we have both the input and the output. If our data set has both the input and the output, then it is going to be a supervised learning task. So supervised learning is of two types. One is regression and the other is classification. So what is regression? If the prediction that we are trying to make is a numerical value, then it is a regression task. And what is classification? If the prediction that we are trying to make is not a numerical value, then it is a classification task. Let's look at an example. Let's just say we want to predict the cost of a house based on the number of bedrooms and the size of the house. So the cost of the house is always going to be a numerical value. So the output variable, that is we are trying to predict the cost. So the cost is the output variable. So since cost is a numerical value, this is going to be a regression task. So there are many regression algorithms. Some of them are univariate linear regression, multivariate linear regression, polynomial regression, SVR, decision tree regressor, and random forest regressor. So what is classification? Classification is a supervised learning approach in which the computer program learns from the input data and then uses this learning to classify new observations. Let's look at an example. Let's just say we wanna predict if a person gets approved for home loan based on his age and salary. So this column consists of the age of the person, and this column has the salary of the person, and this is the result variable, that is the dependent variable y. So since our dependent variable is not a numerical value, this is going to be a classification task. That is, our machine learning model is going to classify new inputs as yes or no. So this is how classification, so this is the difference between regression and classification. And that's it with this video. If you liked it, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.